Hello, good morning, parents and also kids. How are you, my students? Well, I hope that you're fine so you can do your reading assignments that we do every week. And here is the reading tutorial that you can use to help you to read the sentences in English and in Indonesia. Are you ready? Let's go. We start from the English version. Number one, the teacher, farmer, and driver use a computer, blender, and printer. Number two, the older boy is happier with a smaller eraser, ruler, and marker. Number three, the girl sees a bird on her shirt, plays in the dirt, draws a circle, and has a birthday. Number four, the nurse puts her purse near the curtain, turns around, touches the fur, and gets a small burn. Number five, the baker cleans the ruler and shirt after the fur and dirt burn in the fire. Number six, the baker and the dancer wear a shirt, stir foot, see fire burn, and touch soft fur. Number seven, I use a ruler, play soccer on my birthday, get dirt on my purse, and surf in the sea. Number eight, a shortcut and a book are in the house under a cloud and the moon. Number nine, the boy puts his coat on a pillow under a tree by the sea and plays with the soil. Number 10. My slim and brave friend wears a dress and looks at the clock near a flower. Number 11. The swan stops near the plant, opens its wing, and looks at the snow before it sinks. Number 12. She uses a white cloth to wash to wash her phone after eating chips at lunch. 13. Mike plays a game by the lake, takes 5 bites, and then hides. 14. He puts a note and a rose in the hole and tells one more joke about a bone. The last, number 15. The cute boy uses a tube to fix a views by the dune and uses a rule to cure it. Well, that's enough for the English sentences. Now we read bahasa Indonesia. Nomor 1. Hari ini hari libur dan Henny merasa senang sekali. Nomor 2. Henny pergi ke pulau dan di pulau ada pantai. Nomor 3. Ada nahkoda kapal di pulau. Nomor 4. Henny berenang asyik dan Henny lihat banyak kerang. Nomor 5. Hati Henny jadi riang sekali. Nomor 6. Udang mungil tidak makan apel dan tapi pendek makan daging. 7. Tamu mandi agar bersih sebelum bermain bola merah di pesta. Nomor 8, Luna dan Badu beli 2 topi, lalu baca buku. Nomor 9, Nina dan Luna memakai baju bagus dan Luna bermain bersama Luna. Maksud Miss, bermain Luna sambil membawa buku. Nomor 10, kami berjalan di jalan lalu turun ke tenda saat ayah ronda di tanah yang subur dan ada jamur. Nomor 11, Wahyu yang ahli menjaga harta membeli rumah dengan harga murah. Nomor 12, pada malam pesta parasnya manis dan ia pasti bermain di kolam. 13, Salma yang kecil belajar ilmu sambil makan jambu di kapal di Sumba. 14, pada April badut itu caplok makanan sedap lalu hirup minuman tanpa takut. Nomor 15, Putra tersenyum saat duduk di lantai dan melihat danau di letak yang indah tanpa paksa. Well, my students, that's all the reading tutorial, both in English and Indonesia. And as usual, please do your reading assignment and then don't forget to send your videos to our WhatsApp group. Thank you for your attention and good luck for you. Bye-bye.